Welcome viewers again to my channel Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today is a preparatory recipe which is very good to make them ahead and keep them in your freezers all the time, which is going to be a ginger garlic paste. And I'll tell you the ratio of the ginger garlic paste. I have 2 cups of chopped ginger and 1 cup of peeled garlic, and I'm going to add some water. So we are just going to add all of them and make a full grind till it becomes a paste. So I will begin with the garlic and the ginger. And I'm going to add some water, little bit at a time, not too much. That's all for now. And I'm going to grind them. And I will be adding water little bit by little bit. Just a pause, not to overburn your motor. So we'll start again. When you have this mode that grinding together, it means it's already grounded. So I'm going to stop now. Hello viewers, I'm ready with my the ginger garlic paste, and I could show you how it's been. So grounded as much, and I'm pouring this over here in a bowl. Hello viewers, here is my ginger garlic paste, and just this is for some things that you, for the dishes and all, that you make ahead and you can freeze them. And once you have frozen it, then you can thaw them in your microwave and you can reuse them. If you are leaving it in your fridge, it's only lasts for a short term. It's better that I would suggest that leave it in your freezer, so whenever you need, you can use it. Thank you viewers, and let me know how it turned out. And remember, the ratio is 2 cups of ginger equal to 1 cup of garlic, and with some water to be grounded. Thank you, happy trying, and leave your comments below. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, please do share, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye.